In today's 2-minute C5 C6 Corvette Tech, we're going to discuss how to clean your mass airflow sensor, and we'll go into the basics as to what it does, how it works, and why we should think about cleaning it. Your mass airflow sensor is located in the intake track on the C5 and C6 between the air filter and the throttle body, where it is exposed to all incoming air. Your mass airflow sensor is extremely important because it actually measures how much air is coming into the engine, and then almost instantaneously it gives this information to the computer. Once the computer knows how much air is coming into the engine, it quickly calculates how much fuel is needed, and then it provides the fuel by precisely controlling the fuel injectors. Fortunately, our mass airflow sensors are very reliable, and normally we don't need to give them a whole lot of attention, but I do think it's prudent to give them some attention, and here's why. In basic terms, the mass airflow sensor works by passing an electrical current through an element just like this one right here, and that has the effect of heating up the wire just like the wire is heated inside of a hairdryer. When the air flows past the wire, it has a cooling effect on the wire, and obviously the faster the air and the more air flows past that wire, the more the cooling effect on the wire. From the interaction of the incoming air across that heated element, a signal is sent to the computer where it gets converted to a measurement of air. As the years go by, that little heated element is subject to thousands of cycles of hot and cold, as well as a constant barrage of air crossing it. Sometimes that air has dirty particles, sometimes it has moisture, and sometimes there's even a little bit of oil contained in that air. Over time, that little heated element can develop a thin film which has the effect of insulating it, just like a coat insulates you in the wintertime, which can affect its accuracy. If that film becomes thick enough for some reason, it can absolutely affect how your engine runs. There is a cleaner made for cleaning mass airflow sensors, and it's called Mass Airflow Sensor Cleaner. And although there are no strict rules as to how often you should clean your mass airflow sensor, I think it's prudent to clean yours every time you change your air filter, or if you're having some sort of a drivability issue, because it is so quick, easy, and cheap to do, and it might just fix your problem. To clean your mass airflow sensor, you simply just remove it from the intake track and then give it a few good sprays on those little heating elements from each side, a few seconds apart, and that's all there is to it. Now, since most of these cleaners are flammable, you definitely want to wear eye protection and don't spray it anywhere near a source of ignition. It's really that simple and easy, guys. Now just simply wait about 30 seconds for it to dry and then go ahead and reinstall the mass airflow sensor in the intake track. That's going to do it for this 2-minute Corvette Tech, guys. If you learned anything, go ahead and hit that thumbs up below. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, and most of all, thanks for watching.